Alright guys, just a quick video here. Major freezing rain last night, Northwest Vermont. Everything was shut down. They even shut down our road, which is pretty rare to happen. And no traffic last night. We were stuck in miles and miles of backup on the interstates. Terrible car crashes. Not sure if anyone died, but people got hurt, so not good. I want to show you right now some of the ice here. Check this out on the car. It's just starting to warm up now, so things are starting to melt. We had some serious ice here. Driveway's completely ice here. Very slick. Now just across the way from the picnic table, we have lots of water from the recent runoff from all the snow melt. I want to show you an aerial shot next of all the ice around the property, on the roof, the solar, and so forth.